All right, you're up. Come on, Hope. Come on, Hope. Come on. Zip up, hood up, gloves on. Those are coming on. Snow hook. This goes in. Ready? Watch out for that tire. Let's go. There we go. Ah, the beauty. And the quiet. A lot of power. 10 dogs leaving is pretty hard to stop. They just kind of just go. You just go with them. You just hang on for the ride. All right. Hey, not a bad day to be mushing. 18-mile trip. 14 miles an hour with brakes. We'll probably slow down about 12 miles an hour at the towards the end. Right now we're probably going 16 or there you go. There's a poop and run. That's Athens giving the demo, the early demo of how sled dog poops on the trail. They just poop and run, and Athens is a pro with that. I do have some speed control here. There's a piece of snow machine track between my feet that I stand on. It's got some little spiky grips in it too. Whoa! So that helps me control the speed of the thing when I step on it. And of course I have this big claw brake. It's not big, it's just claw brake. Also between my legs, kind of more towards my toes. I'll give you a tour of the sled sometime here. So this turn coming up here is a lot of fun. It's not quite a 90-degree turn, but it's a big team. It's always fun. And of course there's a tree. It's not this one, it's coming up here. You'll see, whoa! Thanks for the reaction, Mr. Machine. Good reaction. Speaking of turns, thank God it wasn't 10 feet later. Because this is the turn. It's all stinky. Ooh, thank God that machine